How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon, March 24th sales update. This is the 20. I'm recording this on the 25th, so as you can see, two sales have come in as of this morning, but we're looking at yesterday, so let's dive into those numbers. As you can see here, 8 sales in the U.S. market, which is hovering around the average number. So it's not, I wouldn't consider this like lower sales, but I definitely wouldn't consider this, at least for March, to be higher or average, like higher average. It's just kind of like right smack in the middle. The products that have sold, this was actually a pleasant surprise. I'm going to go with that because most of the products yesterday that have sold are actually new products that I've listed since I got tiered up. So that's really good. There are definitely a few products that are standing out and are selling more than others of the new batch. So it's actually nice to see. I wish it was like that across the board. But that's okay. The sales are coming in, so that's really good. The total number of sales for yesterday, let's see, I'm just doing yesterday's sales. The total is 9. So I had 8 sales in the US and 1 in Italy. So that's kind of where I was yesterday. Let's look at this month total sales, and I'm sitting at 248. So that's 2 sales included today. If we want to be completely fair and accurate, let's go until yesterday, which is the 24th, as you can see here. And we're sitting at 246. So again, this is great. That's my opinion as of right now. It is the 24th that we're looking at. As you can see here in the US, I've reached 200 already. So as of yesterday, not including these 2, I was at 201, which surpasses the previous month by about 40, 35, 36, if my math is correct. And as you can see here, it's exactly as I suspected. I have no reason to doubt that it's going to be better than December, and hopefully we're going to surpass January, which right away is standing out on its own, because usually, as you can see here, and this was not a typical year, so let's go back maybe to previous year. December and January definitely stand out. February sales drop off, and then this is kind of where we are. So I think next month is definitely going to be kind of like a gauge to where the rest of the year, or at least the summer, is going to be, because if there's a significant drop, then you'll tell me that this is just an abnormality. But if the sales continue going up, that means that my new approach, new tier, and new products are actually working out and they're selling. Now, there was something else that I wanted to look at, yes, and it was the iPhone cases. So I've mentioned this a few times, but I was scrolling through my products that I've sold, and this is like for the whole month. And as you can see, the top sellers, and this is not, I don't think it's in any kind of order, but it's the standard t-shirts stand out. And as you can see here, 112 standard t-shirts, 74 pop sockets, and then premium and iPhone cases are about the same. But that's the point. I've started listing iPhone cases more than ever after I got tiered up to tier 20,000, and they are selling. So I'm gonna keep scrolling so you can see here: pop sockets, standard t-shirts, and then we get into iPhone cases. So and I think I mentioned this in yesterday's video. There are definitely phone cases that are selling that I personally would be like, I get it. It's like either a funny joke, or it's like it's specific to a certain niche or category. but it, like for example, I like more plain things. So for me, it's kind of like, yeah, I get why people are buying these, and I actually like I'm not bashing my own designs, but I'm just thinking like, would I actually put this on my own phone case? And I wouldn't. But that's where I have to say, and I've said this yesterday, where I was wrong, because my certain assumptions about my personal taste are not accurate when it comes to everybody else. And look at this, like I'm scrolling down, and all of these are phone cases. And also the other thing to point out is the profit margin. This is 428. So that is to me that's amazing. So anyways, let's just do a quick review here. 246 sales. Royalties, I think I've surpassed $800, and the US market, as you can see here, 203 as of this morning, but it's 201 as of March 24th, and 700 and plus dollars in royalties up until yesterday. Amazing, amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.